Top 5 daw na parenting tips for today. Ready? Number 1.
Number 1, expose your children sa sports, 'di ba? Kasi diyan
Oo.
natututunan nila yung mental toughness,
Mental
nade-develop, no?
toughness.
Nade-develop yung
Yeah.
mental toughness.
Hindi sila basta-basta bumibigay. Hindi sila basta-basta umaayaw.
Mhm.
Ready sila lumaban sa buhay.
Yan,
Okay.
okay.
Number 2.
Number 2, let them experience or maging leader, no, sa kanilang small group, siguro sa
Oo.
bahay nila,
Sa bahay?
sa school, 'di ba?
Oo. Sa kanilang friends.
Sa friends, sa mga kalaro nila sa
Oo.
kapitbahay, 'di ba?
Encourage them to become leaders in their own way. Number 3.
Okay.
Let them experience frustrations and disappointments.
Ano ibig
Bakit?
sabihin nun?
Just like in the real world, lahat ng tao nakakaramdam ng pagod, takot, frustrations, disappointments. So might as well teach them now while you are beside them. Teach them and guide them in experiencing frustrations and disappointments.
So wag ako matatakot